Morning everyone. Right, so today is my birthday and I was being pestered, what do you want, what do you want, what do you want? And I couldn't think of anything, but I have been eyeing up these hydro snow foam bowls. Keep looking at them, keep thinking I'm going to buy one, but I just never got around to it. And I thought, you know what, if you're not going to stop pestering me, buy me one of these. And I've filled it up, I've had a little spray of it, it seems to work, but we're going to get Mavis outside because she's getting filth. We're going to get Mavis outside, give her a clean, try out the snow foam bottle. I've only filled it up with, you see, I buy in bulk. Some of that. That's heavy. So I buy that in bulk just off Amazon. I think Amazon or eBay. I'm pretty sure it was Amazon, but I'll put a link to that in the description. But it was 25 litres for about 20 quid, 20 to 30 pound. And it's pretty much the same stuff as Muck Off Bike Cleaner. And even you get the little small bottles in the pound shop for, I think £1.97, £1.50 for a little half a litre of spray. Sometimes I use that. It seems to work really well in the snow foam lance on the actual pressure washer. So it should work quite well on this. But that's just the same stuff in bulk and cheaper. I normally have it in, you know, a good old-fashioned pump-up garden spray bottle, and that does the trick. It just gets a coat on it, wash it off. But I wanted to try it. Hey, naughty. Wanted to try one of these, so I've put that stuff in there, watered it down about 20-25%, just to, you know, basically I'll fill it up to there, fill it up to about there with water and mix it up, and you get a nice thick foam. So let's get Mavis outside and give her a wash. Right, so that's a bit of wheel cleaner on. So just give her a couple pumps, up the pressure. Hopefully, just. I like that one instead. Say that's quite foamy. Just let it dwell, let all the foam do its work. Just hose her off.
So there you have it, my birthday present. A hydro snow foam spray bottle. It works just fine with those fluids. I bet it works even better with their own fluids, but I wasn't going to ask for the starter pack as a birthday present, take the mick. I thought I'd just get the bottle, see how it goes with my stuff, and it works, as you can see, pretty well. It foamed up lovely, so much better than the Parkside, so Lidl, you know, middle of the Lidl, what's it, the battery powered pressure washer. But when you run it on the hose pipe, the hose pipe pressure is a bit too much and it leaks out the seals internally, soaks the batteries and cuts out, and it kills the batteries. So you have to really run it off the siphon, but it gives a lot more soap and foam than that does. And I'd say you got my muck off pressure washer review, you can see how foamy that is. It's about the same as that. So really, if you haven't got a pressure washer, that works fantastically well. I'd say go get one. As you can see, I've moved a few things around in here now. So Mavis still sits in the corner there. That's the little red unit, used to be over there. That wall is solid now. And I've got some of my gear on the wall here. Just my summer gear, the gear I crashed in to remind me that always wear it, because you know it's full of holes. That would have been my skin. It was a lovely hot summer day when I took Mavis for the MOT and got T-boned by a van. And that saved my skin. I almost didn't put it on that morning because it was such a nice day. And I was running a bit late, but always wear your gear. And obviously, that. We won't talk about that. But so I've put some lights in. You see I've got some nice proper strip lights for a bit more better lighting in here. Of a night time, it's brighter than my kitchen. And then my tool side, as you can see, I've got a full stack. That's out my old cupboard, out my old little shed. Literally, my old shed was as wide as that unit and then as long as that little red unit. So that's all the space I had in my old shed. But now I've got this in here, drills up on the wall. But it all looks nice in here now. Yeah, so if you're thinking about buying one of these, they are good value. I think it was under £30, I know that. So I wouldn't have asked for it as a present if I didn't think it was, you know, not taking the mick. But I would have bought it for myself. It's just I've been umming and ahhing about it, and I thought, oh, well, I don't know. And then somebody was pestering me, my daughter was pestering me. What can I get you for your birthday? And I just, you know what, I've been looking at them. Buy me one of these. And I've seen it in the box sitting there for the last week or so. I'm thinking, I really want to play with it. But I've got to play with it today because it is my birthday today. So there's that. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.